They're in the garage.
Oh, okay, but where?
Garage.
Here?
To the left. Here to the left.
On draw?
On Pop Smoke.
Oh, shoot. It really was on Pop Smoke. My bad. Shoot. They said on Pop Smoke, and I was like, man, that's a cap. And there he was.
Who shot me?
Not me.
Welcome to the gulag.
Jay, why'd you?
Them niggas came knocking like the fades.
Hey, Jacob! Stop kissing your cat. Let's go.
This nigga's
Sorry,
controlled by the
keep it-
pussy.
Of course, he gets the shotgun.
Yo, did it really just give me the Lord as a random?
It just gave you.
Yeah. Y'all know I got an ace now.
A few moments later.
5 seconds to insert.
Alright.
Op 4 hasn't found the biohazard.
He assaulted the Lord.
Now I really expect the ace out of your dumb ass.
Has been compromised.
Travis.
One friendly.
Oh my. Bro, you sound like Doodle Bob.
Op 4 found the biohazard container.
That's alright.
Bro.
It wasn't. It
What's
was,
up?
It was
Obviously
meant-
they're on your left, nigga. Flee.
Take out the hostage.
Right. Really. Oh.
Are you alright?
He said I want some more.
All friendly. Location of biohazard container unknown.
Yo, where? Are we gonna find the
Alright,
objective?
I got an AK. I'm dangerous.
No.
Are you?
Oh, where are they? Where are they? I'm getting scared. I'm getting scared.
One friendly op.
Alright, bet. I got an AK. I'm dangerous.
Stop the cap.
Alright. Let's get it. I'm Playboy Cardi. Let's go.
I missed my boot gridlock.
And then get her.
I don't have the money.
Poor.
Don't touch me, nigga. You do not exist.
Heard. I'm gonna touch you.
Touch me in all the right places.
You are clear to
I'm
engage.
Playboy Cardi. Let's go. Vamp, stand up. Weapon sensitive log for the good cause.
Oh. Securing the room. Hostile activity. Neutralize the threat.
I just saw a video of my sister's friend ghost inhaling her inhaler. What the fuck?
That's what the cool kids do.
Like, can you imagine a kid coming up to you with this inhaler and blowing O's at you? I'm a big dog, big bear.
Bro, you can't say that!
Why, bro? I'm from Florida. Anybody can say nigga in Florida.
Biohazard container.
Oh yeah, bro. Everyone says
Find
fucking.
the biohazard container.
Don't say it.
Don't say
Don't
it.
say
What?
Don't
what is
say it,
that?
bro.
What is-
Don't say it.
Biohazard container has been located.
I can feel this train. Don't say it, man. Don't do it.
Don't cave in.
anymore.
Both of y'all got one
You're
kill.
trying to win in casual.
You're not?
I just broke my
I
back.
don't care if I win or not in casual.
Well, I have to get a chance to get an alpha pack a little bit, you know?
As long as I set my nuts on somebody's face.
Fuck with me, I'ma let you meet your
Huh?
maker. 1, 2, 3, go. Bad yellow bone, fuck on me, I just attacked that. Always wear a motherfucking hoodie, fucking snapback. Bitch, I whip a cool, don't fuck with the hatchbacks. Feature me on tunes, I'ma need my fucking cash fast. Paparazzi all up in my face, they need a backpack. Dip off in the raid, no fucking rafe, I need a scat pack. Always keep a motherfucking toolie in my backpack. If paparazzi don't get on my face, I'm just gon' cap that.